I'm gonna try the Halloween Whopper.
Burger.
I dressed black for the occasion.
Gonna try the
Mine has a no onion, no tomato.
Oh, that's a big burger. Big burger.
It's just a regular Whopper.
Yeah, it's a regular Whopper, but it's just with A1 sauce and black burger and black buns. Oh, we're gonna unbox this.
Ready? Let's kind of put it back.
Yeah, put it.
Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
Here it is.
I saw. Look at this burger.
Alright.
Alright, so gonna take the first bite.
Kind of don't want pimples anymore. Oh, wait. Did you take a bite already?
No.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
That's a good burger.
That's good.
That's a, that's a good burger.
The turnout is good.
It's a good burger.
Yep. I could eat this every single day. See how black this thing is?
Later.
Mm-hmm.